Welcome to FOMO Consulting for your daily AMC stock analysis video on Friday, April 23rd. Ladies and gentlemen, we are cranking it up to 10 today. We started above 10, we traded above 10, and we closed above 10. Fantastic day, fantastic week. The apes are winning, the diamond hands are winning, the retail investor is winning. So if you find this video informative and entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. It's a newer channel and I would appreciate the support. Let's get into the video. So the broader market today was green. It was a fantastic day and AMC certainly felt the impacts of that. We started green, stayed above the $10 level pretty much all day long. So it was a fantastic day. All three major indices were green today, so good way to close the week. So let me read you a brief quote by First Lady Eleanor Roosevelt. It says, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." I have no doubt whatsoever that many people are dreaming of a better day because of AMC stock, and I truly believe that those dreams will become a reality sooner rather than later. So let's look at the daily action here. So we closed at $10.16, up 1.7% or 17 cents. Trading in the green after hours. Hopefully we'll stay that way to the close. The high today was $10.38. The low was $9.96. Briefly broke that $10 support, but overall very, very strong day. So if you look to the right, I've added one indicator to the chart, which was the VWAP. It's a pretty good indicator, I believe, of the price and volume to kind of let you know where the pressure is, right? Up or down. So if you look at the first half of the day, we pretty well traded below the VWAP, although we were in the green. But you could tell there was a lot of heavy pressure pushing us down. Second half of the trading day, around 1 o'clock, you could see that reversal trend. But the most impressive thing that I saw today is what I'm getting ready to show you, which was really the last 30 minutes. Let's look at it. So if you look, this is last Friday's 1 minute chart. And you can see right before close, they had every intention of pushing us down, and they did. I don't believe we had the support that we have today, and it certainly showed. You could tell it kind of bled off, and then at the final 10 minutes, they really hammered it down to close at the price point they wanted, correct? So look at this Friday. Look at today. They tried it again. They tried it again. We traded above the VWAP for the last 3 hours or so. They wanted to push this down below 10. You could certainly tell it. And then the ape stepped in. The diamond hands, retail investor, certainly probably some whales. The most impressive part of this is we reversed their intentions and we forced it higher. We said, not today, not this week. We fought them off, and to me, this is a sign of an exceptionally strong stock that has an exceptionally strong support. We were not going to let this close below $10 today. So it's very, very clear. So on a bigger picture, longer scale, you can definitely see where the moving average is. We're heading into bullish territory. One major item of note is the MACD, and this is the daily chart, daily candles. The MACD is so close to doing a bullish crossover. And let me show you. So if you look, moving averages are heading in the right direction, but that MACD is now pretty much touching the signal line, and that is, I think, the most positive indicator that I've seen about what the next couple of weeks is going to look like, and I do believe it is going to be a very bullish 2 weeks. just my opinion. So today we had 5 more institutional owners buy into AMC stock. And some had very substantial position increases that already have positions in AMC stock. So it's a great sign to see the smart money coming in to the position. I believe we have a lot of friends. There's probably a few foes on the short side. But overall, nothing has changed. It's 100% owned. We own 79% of it without a doubt. The short borrow information, I, like many people, I don't trust it. It's non-existent. Some sites have completely pulled it, like iBorrowDesk and Fintel, among others. And what you do see is likely incorrect. So for today, I am Xing that part of the equation out, and I'm going to assume it is the same as it has been, if not worse, which is why they've removed it from a lot of the sites, in my opinion. Volume was down quite a bit from yesterday, almost 22 million from yesterday. We closed at around 27 million today. That's actually a good thing, in my opinion, for the short squeeze. That means I don't believe there's a lot of shares available to trade, which is why the volume has fallen off. So I'm sure many people have seen this on, different social media platforms or whatever. I pulled this off of my Fidelity account just to give you a broader view. There is a potential of this stock going above $830. More importantly, there's a 54% chance of it going to $52 sooner rather than later. So just give you a broader picture. This seems to make everybody get excited. Certainly it does for me as well, because it does show the potential of AMC stock when and if there's a squeeze, and I do believe it is sooner rather than later. Not financial advice, just my opinion. So again, big picture, these are the options. These are the large purchases today, very large purchases, but most are on the call side. Most are of bullish sentiment, which is very reassuring. You can dig into the details and do your own DD, but I just like to look at it from a bullish, bearish perspective. But there were some very, very large options purchased today. Again, bigger picture, we're about 2-to-1 ratio on calls versus puts. Very bullish sentiment, as you can see, from green to red. So it's very positive looking forward. One thing with the IV that is very noticeable is it is in the lower ranges of where it's been over the 52-week period. For the big money, smart money, I'm sure that's very attractive. IV it is low and seems to be trending lower, which again brings in smarter money, right? So yet another quick snippet of an article today that was on my trading platform with Fidelity. Just a quick headline: as long as the support is at $7.03, look for AMC to be at $14.96. That is sooner rather than later. There's also some key supports and resistances. I found it very interesting, and again, do your own DD. They've identified $13.24 as a resistance. So with us being above 10, I do believe that with some buying pressure next week, some positive catalyst, good news articles around Mortal Kombat box office sales. Obviously, the share recount is coming up soon. I believe we have a lot of positive momentum to move forward. And as always, just so you see, I do have personal skin in this game. I have 4,800 shares on Fidelity. I now have 601 shares on Webull. So I am in this diamond hands just like you. I am not selling anytime soon, but I'm in this with you. So I want to read a quick quote. It says, "In our industry, the gravity of our situation puts us all in an almost warlike position of resolve and determination." From the CEO, Adam Aron of AMC Entertainment. I believe we are all resolved. We are all determined to buy, hold, and see this through. Support the company. Obviously, we are in this for a million different reasons, whether it's financial security, whether it's for social change or rules changes, a million different reasons, right? But I believe as long as our resolve is strong and our determination remains solid, I believe that the sky's the limit for AMC stock. It is also for us, the apes, diamond hands, and retail investors. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found it informative and entertaining, please hit the like and share, and please subscribe. That's, again, a newer channel. I would appreciate all the support. But most importantly, I hope you have a great weekend. I'll post some things over the weekend. And as always, I hope your lives are full of green candles. Thank you, and see you soon.